In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin tabs in DuckDuckGo. Pinning tabs is a helpful way to keep your most important websites open and easily accessible at all times. When you pin a tab, it stays fixed in your browser, making it smaller and preventing it from being accidentally closed while you continue browsing other pages. This is especially useful for websites you use frequently, such as email, search tools, or work-related pages. To begin, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your computer. Once it launches, navigate to the tab bar located at the top of the browser window. This is where all your currently open tabs are displayed, allowing you to switch between different websites quickly. Next, locate the tab that you want to pin. This could be any web page that you want to keep open for easy access. Once you have found the correct tab, move your mouse cursor over it so that additional options become available. Now, right-click on the tab. This will open a small context menu with several tab-related options. In this menu, look for the option labeled Pin Tab. Select it, and the tab will immediately be pinned to the left side of your tab bar. After pinning, you will notice that the tab becomes smaller and displays only the website icon instead of the full page title. This helps save space and keeps your most important tabs organized at the front of your browser. Pinned tabs will remain in place even if you open new tabs or restart the browser depending on your session settings. This makes them especially useful for long-term use of frequently visited websites. If you ever want to unpin a tab, you can simply right-click on the pinned tab again and choose the option to unpin it. This will return it to a normal tab, allowing you to close or move it freely like any other page. And that's all there is to it. By right-clicking on a tab and selecting the pin option, you can quickly organize your browsing experience and keep your most important websites always within reach in DuckDuckGo. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.